If you're a homeowner in Washington looking to increase your property's value, installing new windows is one of the most effective investments you can make. New windows not only improve a home's curb appeal but also enhance energy efficiency, security, and overall marketability. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or simply want to increase your home's comfort and functionality, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can significantly impact your property's worth. Here's how. Increased home value and ROI. One of the biggest advantages of installing new windows is the return on investment, ROI. According to industry experts, homeowners can expect to recoup approximately 70–80% of their investment when they sell their home. In Washington's competitive real estate market, this improvement makes homes more attractive to potential buyers. New windows signal to buyers that a home has been well maintained and updated, making it a more appealing option compared to similar homes with outdated or inefficient windows. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for move-in ready homes that won't require immediate upgrades. Enhanced energy efficiency. Washington's climate varies widely, with chilly winters and mild summers. Old or poorly insulated windows allow heat to escape during the winter and unwanted warmth to enter during the summer, leading to higher energy bills. Modern energy-efficient windows with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas fills, such as argon or krypton, help regulate indoor temperatures more effectively. Energy-efficient windows reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems, leading to lower utility bills. Many buyers prioritize energy efficiency when searching for a home, making new windows a valuable selling point that can help differentiate your property from others on the market. Improved curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. First impressions matter when selling a home, and windows play a significant role in a property's exterior appearance. New windows instantly refresh the look of a home, providing a clean, modern, and well-maintained aesthetic. Buyers are more likely to be drawn to homes with updated exteriors and stylish window designs, such as black-framed windows, bay windows, or large picture windows, can add character and charm. Modern windows also provide better natural lighting, enhancing the interior ambiance and making rooms feel brighter and more inviting. Increased security and safety. Safety is a top concern for homebuyers, and outdated windows with weak locks or single-pane glass pose security risks. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms, shatter-resistant glass, and reinforced frames that improve home security and give homeowners peace of mind. Some window models are even designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, such as high winds and heavy rains, which is especially beneficial in Washington's unpredictable climate. Having impact-resistant windows can be a strong selling point, particularly for buyers concerned about home safety. Reduced noise pollution. Washington is home to bustling urban areas, busy highways, and active neighborhoods. If your home is in a noisy location, upgrading to soundproof or double-pane windows can significantly reduce external noise, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. For homebuyers who prioritize peace and tranquility, noise-reducing windows can make a property much more appealing. This feature is especially valuable in cities like Seattle or areas near major roads and commercial centers. Low maintenance and durability. Many older homes have wooden windows that require frequent painting, sealing, and maintenance. Today's new window options include vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials that require minimal upkeep and offer long-lasting durability. Low-maintenance windows are a great selling point for potential buyers who prefer modern, hassle-free home features. Investing in durable windows ensures that homeowners can enjoy their benefits for decades without the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Environmental benefits and sustainability. As eco-conscious living becomes more popular, many buyers are looking for homes with sustainable features. Energy-efficient windows help reduce a home's carbon footprint by minimizing energy consumption. Some models even include recycled materials in their frames, adding to their environmental appeal. In Washington, where sustainability is a growing priority, having eco-friendly windows can be a major selling advantage. Homeowners may also qualify for tax credits and incentives for installing energy-efficient windows, providing additional financial benefits. Final thoughts. New windows are a smart investment that not only enhances the look and comfort of your home but also increases its value and marketability. In Washington's real estate market, where energy efficiency, security, and aesthetics play a crucial role in home sales, updated windows can be a game changer. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to improve your home for the long term, installing new windows offers numerous advantages that make your property more desirable. With benefits ranging from better energy efficiency to enhanced curb appeal, this upgrade is a win-win for homeowners looking to maximize their home's value and appeal.